Saturday's snow is still stuck on so many roads around most of greater Cincinnati, especially those side streets.
Yeah, no doubt about it. The icy patches on the sidewalks, too. WLWT News 5's Todd Dykes now live for us tonight, where he's got the very latest for us. Hi there, Todd.
Hi, Mike. It's yeah, the blast of frigid air that blanketed greater Cincinnati after this weekend's snow seems to be in no rush to move on, at least not tonight. And that being the case, anyone who has to head outside, be outside for any length of time this evening needs to tread carefully. During today's lunch hour, second-year UC student Sophia Boone and her friend Eddie Botus were digging out on the side of snowy Wheeler Street near campus.
I just got snowed in and I was like, well, I'm not going to be able to get my car out, so I just left it here.
Boone made that decision when snow started falling on Saturday and kept coming down for hours.
I literally went home back around Colerain area, and now I'm back here digging out my car.
And assessing road conditions.
Still doesn't look like there's been much plowing or salting of the street.
Cincinnati snowplow trackers showed that crews salted and plowed Wheeler Street. Even so, Boone and Botus are concentrating on being careful.
I'm just driving real slow, like as slow as possible, not trying to go around people and all that. Just taking it easy.
Taking it easy was a must today for people walking on sidewalks like these and over the Rhine, where ice patches remain.
It's so cold out here.
Jatoy Mathis, who lives near Finley Market, used the connector streetcar to stock up on supplies at the Kroger downtown.
It's been really convenient, so I'm gonna hop back on there and get back down to the Finley Market.
Mathis says she and her family are making sweet treats to help distract them from the deep freeze.
Like the kids, we've been doing hot chocolate, we baking cookies, you know, family thing like.
From OTR to this stretch of Hamilton Avenue and North Side and back to Clifton Heights, today's been a day to blast ice away and navigate with caution.
I'm going to try and make it out of here, you know, warming up my car, hoping I'm making it up this hill. You know, when it comes to sidewalks in Cincinnati, let's get back to that for a second. Business and homeowners are required to remove snow and ice. In the city's current snow and ice control plan, there is language that reads if someone falls because a property owner didn't shovel and salt their walkway, the property owner could be liable for any injuries. Just bottom line, be a good neighbor. For now, reporting live, Todd Dykes, WLWT News 5.
Todd, I'm no meteorologist, but I have interest in weather for obvious reasons. I got to think that the sun helped quite a bit today.
It did, Mike. You know, we were out with colleague Henry Griffin. We would see, you know, snow-covered roads 1 minute and maybe drive back after about an hour or so and see that the sun really was doing some good work. So things are definitely improving. It's just so darn cold out here that it's going to take that warm front that Kevin's talking about to make things a whole lot better. And I, for one, cannot wait.
We're all bundled up out there. Todd Dykes, thanks so much. Appreciate that tonight. All right, so another...